Yes, my people, welcome back. So, this morning we have this bathroom. So, this is how the bathroom look like, all the way to the ceiling. Yeah, all the way to the ceiling, right up there. So, we're going in the morning, the trim now using in the bathroom. No trim, metal trim. So, all of them place, where you see 45. 45 right around the door. This, no, 45. So, no metal trim. So, straight 45 right through. So, this is my level line I have a work with. Yeah. Maybe can't see it so good, but anyway. So, that's my level line. Right through. Yeah. So, try to make a start now. So I can get going. Yeah.
Yeah. This is what we are doing now, Line up figure tile pan wall, Big bad tile a shot, Otherwise called Tony. Want to like, share and subscribe for the video, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, if you notice, same as spot it, yeah. Not floor tile, wall tile, right?
Some people might see this and say, boy, you want to spot tile and this and that, but spot is no problem, How you do the type of material you use.
Exactly.
And how you want to clean up.
What?
No time, nothing dash with. You see pieces that I don't have to please, me are going to pack them up. I put it there. Tell Punsi, because we can't dash with no time until the job done. You understand?
Can you look short?
You know, look short, I think it's short, but just for you know what
You're going up in a hole if I waste it still to waste it.
It's like a waste, no one chaka one place there. It's another one. When you look at them, when you put them one place, no matter what. Kiss it down.
Yeah, man, I think I say, how you do your work. Because some people put on tile on wall, dirty wall want clean up, Some people use some more tough things that, we can't hold for nothing. So, at the end of the day, how you prepare the thing to tile. Here's where I do this, and we are spot tile. And none never drop off a wall. Nobody never carve back.
Yeah, that look good.
Yeah. So you know what they are doing thing.
Yeah, Punsi can say something. Punsi I run from the video,
Don't sit down. Alright, my people, so see it now. Get a decent start on the bathroom. Yeah, so we cover all of the bottom row. That are the most important one. From we get that started, yeah. Once we cover the bottom row, we're on target. So, yeah, this is where we basically reach now. Take time I carry it up. Yeah, so we'll go all the way up to ceiling. So that piece of board that we used to run at the back there now is some waterproofing board. We most likely use them in a shower nowadays. You know, everything get advanced. So yeah, instead of to use a green board or so, we generally use this nowadays. Now I show them. I show you or so, you know. So this have a special caulk, you know, we use on it to seal it. So nothing can leak through it. Yeah, so as I say, them corner here, all of them corner here where you see 45. 45. So this is 45 all the way up. Around the door. Yeah. So remember to like, share and subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section. Reason with me, tell me what you think about the job them. Yeah, so I say we clear the bottom row, you know. So we're good to go here now. Yeah. So our people are right now. Yeah, this is our reach now. Yeah, so take time of one. Yeah, man. So right now, what really happened, we have to pull back down piece of wall because the owner come and them say they want something different. Yeah, so right now, you see anybody can tell me what change is making at this, get $10 digital credit. Yeah, so watch the video, look on the bathroom, tell me the changes you want us to make. Yeah. So if you can identify the changes we're making at this bathroom, yeah, $10 digital credit. Yeah, $10 digital credit for anybody who can identify the changes. Yeah. So let me say we take time to go on. We run up on the wall. Same way. Yeah, try getting the back wall of your there. Alright, Donovan, may I tell them say anybody can identify the changes we're making in the bathroom.
Yeah, man.
Get $10 digital credit. Yeah, if you watch the video and you can identify what kind of changes make. Yeah, $10 digital credit. So alright my people, so right now where do we this now? We plaster the wall with some tin set. Yeah. So this kind of help the tile, you know. So we are bonding together. Yeah, nice 45, nice and straight. Yeah man, so as I saying in the video, if you can identify the changes we'll make on the wall, you know. Anybody first identify in the comment section, $10 digital credit.
That is huge.
Pause, you know. Yeah. I'm gonna sit down and the body, you know.
Yeah, Shotty did that on the great work, you know. Like, share, and subscribe. As the man said, if you can identify the changes, $10 did you sell.
Once you can identify the change. But yeah, watch the video from the start, you will see it still. You know where changes make. So yes, my people, the bathroom are kind of complete in a way. Still have some work left in it, same way. Yeah, so as you can see, all other side are finished. Yeah, so we have the shower in us for the same way. So this need some growth in here now. No. All of the wall, all of the tile have gone up on the wall. Yeah, the main look up here I will left just aside there. Where them some adjustment. Them are good. It's like a pocket door I go in another part there, so you know until them start out it. Can't do nothing less. But yes my people, you know it kinda basically finished one way. Yeah. More side finish. Yeah, right to ceiling up there. Yeah, so the floor tile, the wall tile, basically the same color, you know, just different size. Yeah, so just one flow in a tile right through. Yeah, so yeah, so this is how I go on with this bathroom right now. Yeah, so I'm say basically finished. You know, in a kind of dark, so. Yeah, so I'm going right up the ceiling same way. Yeah, so everything 45. So this is the shower now of the drop in. Drain already in. So this is another walk in. So we have the shower you have to drop in. I'm gonna drop it. Drop in my morning, yeah. And kind of close off with it, you know. That it can get to grow out up and thing. So that's how I would do with this now. Yeah, so I'm say the shower I go drop in, you know. So the wall pretty much done. Some nice 24 by 48 on the wall. Yeah, so this is the main thing to get in this one now, to get some growth. Yeah, growth up the wall and the floor. You know, the shower there have to drop in, as I say. Yeah, so we'll get the shower drop in. So you know, up on the side, I'm going to go up one nice and make it like that. Let's see, my people in boss are going to grow him up.
The body screw tie around.
Yeah. So yeah, the wall are going to grow up here now. So let's show them what I'm going. Yeah, when it grow up and done, now we give him a little clean up. Yeah, then you see what really are going. Yeah, look good so far. Yeah, as I say, not finished still. We have bits and pieces left where, you know, like the wall, you know, this left, so you know, can't touch it until them start out. I'm gonna go and do some growth in the meanwhile.
Yeah.
So we as I say, we are getting growth up and running.
Not working with Punsi today, you know.
Once you give me money, I'm bunny out, just.
Boy, there you're gone. I just threw it up on the video when I want to talk. That's growth, you know, you. As you can't come back.
Oh, yeah, man, I do check in the eye.
I don't know how to check me, I tell you.
It's alright, my people, bathroom done and growth up. Yes, so this is how we look like around here now. As I say, everything growth up here now. The only thing left here now, we have one little piece. This now, but we have the shower, so you know, I might come in tomorrow and do the shower. Not sure yet, but most likely. Yeah, so the on target. Lay everything to ceiling. Yeah, so as I said, no trim, no use in the bathroom, yeah. P45. Nice and straight 45 bulb. Right up the ceiling. Yeah, so them part are the part we left. You know, as I said, them as put in some sliding door in there, so you know, yeah, them have to set up what them have set up, and then we drop in a little piece, yeah, over the door, and you know, right here, so yeah, so this is some nice decent 45 go up the line. Right over, no trim. Yeah. So bathroom the pan shop, my people. Alright, my people, so the bathroom then finished now completely. Fixtures go up and all of that. Yeah. So as you can see, so this is the bathroom what I say. If you can identify the changes that we make, yeah, $10 digital credit. Anyone who can identify the changes we make, on the bathroom. Yeah. Yeah, so everything nice and sweet. Nice shower. No using the bathroom, straight 45. As far as I can look. When I look over the door, 45. Yeah, straight 45. The column same way. Straight 45. Right up the ceiling, straight 45. So as I said, the fixtures then go up now. Yeah, cabinet not complete still. Can't say one drawer left to put in. Yeah, but mirror up. So I say straight 45. Yeah, bathroom look nice and sweet. Yeah, man. Wow, pretty and nice, right up the ceiling. So remember, as I'm saying in the comment, you can leave it in the comment section. Yeah, anybody can identify the changes we're making at the bathroom. Yeah, $10 digital credit. So once you can identify the changes, just text me in the comment. Yeah, so once you watch the video right through, you will see when I make the changes. Yeah.